Today, the project we are going to talk about is called Tag Markets. Tag Markets is a forex broker. Being a forex broker in itself is not a very big deal because there are many forex brokers in the world who have been operating for past 10 years. Broadly, there are two types of broker in the market: regulated and unregulated. The broker I'm talking about today is regulated broker. Tag Markets has obtained its license from Mauritius. In addition to this, its head office is in Colombia. It also has an office in Dubai. Beside this, a new office is going to established in Cyprus and Austria. The company has also applied for a Dubai license, which is expected to be approved in the coming months. The process of obtaining licenses from Cyprus and Australia is also underway. From a licensing perspective, Tag Markets is gradually strengthening itself. The company obtained the Mauritius license in March 2024. And since then, the project has continuously been strengthening its foundation with new plans. Entering in the forex industry and establishing an identity like amidst such intense competition is not easy. But Tag Markets has built a global presence with more than 5 lakh users in a very short time. Since all of you are experienced, let us come straight to the point. In a short span of time, they have proven that they are among the fastest growing brokers in the world. Opening more than 15,000 accounts in a single day is itself an excellent achievement. Competing with old players and achieving such figures so quickly is not easy. It clearly indicates that they are doing something different. Let's understand what that difference is. In an industry, if you enter later and want to create your own identity, you must think differently from traditional approaches. This is exactly the different thinking that Tag Market has brought, which has the potential to change the entire forex industry landscape in coming time. If I talk about the IB portal and IB commission, Tag Markets is bringing a major transformation in IB portals. Such a change that other companies will be forced to adopt that. In addition to this, they have developed a token model, due to which they are receiving tremendous response from the market. Let's understand what this token model is. Tag Markets has emerged as a support system for individuals and institutions that were previously running at a loss. Through this token model, they have received relief. I will explain its visualization feature, but before that, I would like to share some important points. There are no charges on deposit or withdrawal here. The withdrawal process is crypto-based, which is considered the fastest among available methods. The trading platform used is MetaTrader 5, MT5, one of the most powerful trading platforms in the world. Even if someone does not know trading, there is no need to worry. A system has been created where the world's top traders trade for you. And you can earn passive income through copy trading as well. Account types and 12x capital feature. Suppose you deposit $1,000 with this forex broker. The company multiplies that amount by 12 times and provides you with $12,000 as trading capital. With this balance, you can either trade yourself or choose the copy trading option. Normally, if you deposit $1,000 with any broker, the maximum loss can be $1,000. Here, since 12x capital is provided, if there is a 10% loss on $12,000, the account gets liquidated. 10% means $1,200. Out of this, $200 is additional equity provided by the company. This is why 30-day lock-in period is applied. During these 30 days, your principal amount remains locked, after which you can withdraw it. However, any profit you can earn can be withdrawn daily, and the minimum withdrawal is $10. The lock-in is exactly like a bank loan. After taking a loan, you cannot repay it the very next day. You must run it for a maximum period. Similarly, if you take 12x special feature of Tag Markets, your principal remains locked for 30 days. If you do not take this feature and do normal trading, there is no lock-in. You can even withdraw the full fund within an hour if you wish. Now let's talk about some more special features. Tag Market has developed an AI machine learning based system similar to ChatGPT technology, which provides you with trading tools and information about when and what to trade. It gives you complete trading related guidance. In addition, a social trading platform has also been created where you can earn passive income by copying trades from anywhere in this world. For transactions, blockchain and crypto are used, which are the fastest and the most secure method for cross-border settlement. For any platform to succeed on a large scale, user experience is extremely important. And Tag Markets user experience is excellent. You can use it from anywhere on your smartphone or tablet. Traders can customize their dashboard according to their convenience. No field is complete without knowledge. If you are new to the Forex market or want to learn more, Tag Academy has been created for this purpose. Highly experienced trainers are available here. All the information provided here is completely free. The same knowledge that cost $50, $100 or $200 in the market is available here at no cost. Now I will give you a brief introduction to the portal. Before that, let me tell you that new course of Tag Academy are coming soon, which will create major impact across the entire industry. Through the portal, you can clearly see the outgoing impressive developments. Crypto debit card and social work. The company has also launched a crypto debit card, plastic card and metallic card. With plastic card, you can upload crypto and spend up to $10,000 per month. The metallic card can enable sending up to $10 lakh per month. In addition, the company is also active in social work. To help the needy, they have created a separate organization called Tag Heart, which is doing commendable work. Many videos related to this are also available. In October, the company organized a major event in Colombia, attended by 3,000 to 4,000 people. An event was also organized in Malaysia in which around 1,000 people are participated. Let's take a look at the event highlights. This Dubai office reflects the company's global presence. Tag Markets also has a Telegram signal channel where you can watch live signals and access their accuracy and experience. The company has 24/7 support team and 200 plus employees are working day and night to serve users. Now I will show you the Tag Markets portal live. After registration and KYC, the deposit option automatically becomes active. You can choose any deposit amount, but the minimum starting amount is $250. Here you get level commission, profit sharing, IB commission, and all other facilities. When you deposit using any crypto coin, the balance appears in the portal within 2 minutes. If you want to do self-trading, you can choose the Amplify option. And for copy trading, you can follow the strategies available in the copy trading section. Currently, more than 70 active strategies are available. At present, we are following Sonic AI strategy, whose special feature is that it can be copied with as little as $10. After clicking connect, suppose you invest $1,000, it automatically becomes 12x. As soon as you click copy now, the strategy gets activated. In the community token option, a code is required. Our code is #SFAGRO. By entering this code, verification is completed. After submitting the transaction, the process is completed. Now let's understand the benefit of Sonic AI. Over the past 1 year, Sonic AI has delivered a minimum of 1.06% and a maximum of 1.78% monthly return, with a drawdown of only 0.86%, meaning the risk is well controlled. If this strategy receives 24x funding, then the profit also increases. On this basis, 25% to 42% monthly returns become possible. From this profit, 70% goes to the investor, 5% to the trader, and 25% is distributed across 10 network levels. In addition, the IB commission is approximately $8.50 per lot, which is distributed in this manner. There are two leadership pools, Pool 1 and Pool 2. In Leadership Pool 1, if in any month you generate $5 lakh turnover from your entire team, then from all the standard lots traded in the company, $1 per lot is deducted and distributed equally among qualified members. Similarly, in Leadership Pool 2, if you generate $1 million turnover in a particular month, then an additional $1 per lot is deducted and distributed equally. Here, serious leaders can earn $50,000 to $60,000 per month based on traded lots. Apart from this, there are cost per acquisition income. If you do $10,000 of direct business, you get 1% of your team's direct deposits. If you do $50,000 of business, the 50-50 rule applies and you get 2% of your team's deposit. If you do $2 lakh of business, then you will get 3.30%. If you do $1 million of business, you get 5% of your team's deposit. This income is truly excellent. In addition, there are incentives. The first incentive is that if you do $50,000 of business for 3 consecutive months from your team, you receive a $2,000 travel voucher. If you qualify for Leadership Pool 1 for any 2 consecutive months, you receive a $15,000 luxury Rolex watch. Or you can choose $15,000 in cash. If you remain in Leader Pool 2 for 2 consecutive months, then you will get $25,000. The fourth reward is mind-blowing reward. If you remain in Leader Pool 2 for 6 consecutive months with 3 shares, then you will get a 12 crore reward. The power of compounding here is also extremely impactful. If you invest $2,500 and continuously reinvest the profits, the amount can reach $5,000 in approximately 71 trading days. And the monthly withdrawal can be around $1,250. In about 7 months, it reaches close to $10,000. This is true power of compounding. Tag Market's key feature: no charges on deposit and withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Minimum starting amount is $250. Principal amount can be withdrawn anytime after 30 days. No 2x or 3x income schemes are here. As long as the money is in the system, earnings continue. No 2x or 3x income for IBs, either earnings are unlimited. No renewal or top up. Completely transparent platform with live trading. If you do not like the platform, you can withdraw after 30 days. You can change strategies anytime. So many features in just one place are very rare. Join Tag Markets and begin your journey towards golden future. Thank you very much to everyone.